Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. So today I'm doing an athleisure haul, thrift haul. I'm not wearing makeup today. I just really need to get this video out. And I did one other video with no makeup on and no one said anything mean, so I figured it's okay. And I'm here in my athleisure, so it's just a casual video. If you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, leave a comment of what your favorite athleisure brand is. I also did on a previous video like a poll on if you guys want me to share my cost of goods, and it was kind of like even. A lot of people were saying don't share it, and then some people were saying they wanted me to share it because it's valuable, because they need to know how much to pay for something. Cost of goods for all of these things was very low, basically like bins prices. In general, if you're watching my videos, I am able to keep my cost of goods pretty low. So if I do pay up for something, I'll say that, but I don't pay up for very many things. Okay, so the first item is the brand Roots Canada. This is a kid's jacket. It has rainbow letters. There's nothing on the back. It's just a basic zip up. There's the little Canadian maple leaf. I do have a couple of Roots adult sweaters listed in my closet, and they are not really seeing any movement. So some of these things are items that I wouldn't pick up for. It's hard because the reason I pick up some of these things has to do with cost of goods. So I'm able to get some of these things for pretty cheap. I know somebody who buys storage units and he doesn't sell clothes, so he sells me bags of clothes in bulk for very cheap. So some of these things I wouldn't necessarily go out and source, but I'm gonna sell them because I have them. You should watch this video all the way through because there's gonna be so much Lululemon. I'm so happy. Also, Lululemon doesn't sell very well for me anymore. The Aligns have sold really well for me, and a couple different, like jackets and some random stuff has sold pretty good. Some of this stuff I think might sit, but I still do like Lululemon. Okay, so this is a pair of capri. Also, I've noticed the capris, no matter the style, they don't sell super well. So this pair of capris. Here is the Lululemon symbol. They have like a mesh detail, and the problem with these is they have, I believe this is a paint splatter. So that's a little disappointing. I did wash these and that didn't come off. They're a size 6. So yeah, I'm gonna list them obviously, but that's gonna take down the value a little bit. Next is another pair of Lululemon. When I took pictures of these, the color was like way different. Yeah, the color looks a lot different on camera than it really is. It's like a teal, but it looks like a dark blue. I don't know. The color looks so different than it really is. These are a little bit cropped. There's the Lululemon symbol. And these are a size 4. I'm gonna have to do some research on the style names for these. I know the Aligns because I own some of those, but yeah, there's so many different styles of Lululemon, so. Okay, next is a bar 3 tank top. It says, honor your truth, bar 3. It's like kind of like a muscle tank top. I'm probably not going to get a ton for this, but it's in good condition, and it's athletic wear. So everything in this haul is athletic brands. This is the brand Yogalicious. I did try this on. I kind of wanted to keep it. It's just a tank top. It's not like spandexy or anything. It's like cotton. It's very flowy. It's super cute. Scoop neck, scoop back. Okay, next is bar 3 tank top. It says make it happen. This color is also different on camera. It's always blues and greens that do this, but it's just a basic tank top. Okay, these were nice. Prana, I didn't realize that Prana is so expensive retail. I know it was pretty expensive, but okay, so this is a pair of bikini bottoms. Cute print, it has the little symbol. What do you guys think these retailed for? I thought 30, 25, but no, these retailed for 55. It's like, damn, is this Lululemon now or something? I just didn't expect Prana to be so expensive. So $55. I'll probably get like 20. Yeah, I don't have the matching top, but this is like people, it's not technically like athleisure, but people who do like water sports and stuff need swimsuits, and everyone does really. Next is Fabletics. They do retail for a decent amount. I think they're $78, possibly $48. Yeah, they're like this geometric print. So happy with that. This is Nike. These are like a lace print. Picked this up based on style. Super cute, really good condition. If you're still here, that means a lot to me, especially if you're watching a video with like kind of a messy background and I'm not wearing makeup. If you guys watch my channel, it means so much to me. Give this video a like, a comment, and keep watching because there's a lot of Lululemon and a new to me brand. Okay, next we have a Lululemon jacket. I just sold one very similar to this for $40. It was from my own closet. I did a closet, like my own personal closet declutter video and get up above. And I sold that for $40. It's just like, it's like the same kind of like feeling as their Align pants. Here's the symbol. And it has, it says Lululemon on here. Yeah, it's just like a very spandexy jacket. Has zippered pockets. It's in good condition. Sometimes some of their stuff gets pilling really easily. This does have some pilling, but it's okay. If you're looking to pick up Lululemon in the store, I would advise just picking up the newer styles. I'm about to show you some pants and they are a little bit of older styles, but I have them, so I'm still gonna list them, but I wouldn't necessarily go out and source these. VMMA. You'll have one listed in my closet. We'll see how these do. Okay, this is an old style Lululemon, but I believe this is the Groove style, but I did sell a pair of the Groove, they're like the flared, like boot cut yoga pants for $40 one time, and they were in pretty good condition. These look like they're reversible, so they are like pretty flared actually. They have the Lululemon symbol here, and then they also have it inside, so I believe that they're reversible. They're a size 10. They do have some pilling. I have not like used my sweater shaver depiller on this yet, so I can definitely clean it up a little bit. Okay, this is a pair of sweatpants. It's so rare that I find Lululemon with these tags still in. They're usually ripped out. They are like wide leg, they're not skinny. They are missing the like drawstring, which kind of sucks. And they do have, I believe this is a bleach mark on the back. So some of this stuff I wouldn't necessarily go out and like pay $10 for, but I have it. I'm gonna list it. The Lululemon symbol is on the back at the bottom, I believe. Okay, here it is. This definitely looks like an older style, but that's okay. We have another pair of Lululemon sweatpants. This does have the tag removed. These are like a dark teal color. They are like kind of like joggers. They're cinched at the end. They have zippered pockets with the Lululemon symbol. I'm not sure if you can see that. This is a pair of Athleta. They're black, pretty basic, but it's a pretty easy $20, $25. Size medium. These do need to be depilled a little bit, but they're high-waisted. Super nice. We got some Fabletics. They are size, I'm not sure. This is the symbol, the little F. They're cropped, high-waisted, black. Lululemon, black. They look like they might be like a little bit cropped. Here's the symbol. They are a size 4. They're in pretty good condition. This is another pair of Lululemon. I did try these on. I wanted to keep them. I believe these are the Aligns. I'm pretty sure that's my favorite kind. These feel sort of like it, but also sort of not. I don't know. There's the symbol. I didn't see a size. Oh, here we go. Size 6, that's why they didn't fit me. Okay, yeah, so I'm super happy with these. They're in really good condition. Got another pair of Lululemon. These are, they look like they might be cropped. I don't know. They have like kind of a, They have like kind of like an eyelet detailing. The camera's not really showing it up super well. There is the symbol. These are a size 4. Okay, I have 2 new to me brands and then a couple more items. This is a new to me brand, Sarah's Day and White Fox Active. So it's like a collaboration. These are the tags. It's made in Australia. I'm going to insert comps here. It's like this cute, almost floral pattern. They're green. They are kind of a little bit cinched at the bottom. So I'm super excited to list these. Okay, this is the brand Carve Designs. And when I saw it, I didn't think it was gonna be anything, but it actually sells for a pretty decent amount. I believe this might be a swimsuit top. I don't know. It could be worn as a sports bra. It just has that swimsuit like material. But yeah, sports bra, swimsuit top, either one. Next is a Lululemon sweatshirt. It's like this kind of neck where it can be like a cowl neck. You can fold it over like this. There's this symbol here on the back, and it has some zippered pockets with the Lululemon symbol. The only problem is it does have some stains, some minor stains in the front. I did try and remove them 2 times actually. They're not coming off, but that's okay. Okay, I have 2 more small piles and then that's it. Okay, this next one is Athleta. It's just a long sleeve striped shirt. Great for working out. I did try this on, but it's a little too big for me. It's a size large, but it fits a little bit bigger than a size large, I feel. Next is Piranha. This isn't a style I would normally pick up, but I think someone will want it. It's a size extra small. It's this like kind of boho print. Oh, these straps are confusing. Hold on. Okay, here we go. And they cross over in the back. It's in pretty good condition, or actually it's in very good condition. 2 Athleta pieces. It is just a purple tank top with a cute V-neck. I believe this is linen. Yep, 100% linen. I love linen no matter what brand it is. So I definitely would pick this up. Here's another Athleta tank top. It's white. Comes up a little higher. These are both in really good condition. This feels like linen. Let's see. I don't see the tag that says. Oh, it's modal and polyester. Feels like linen. Okay, this next one, the brand is TNA, and this is sold at Aritzia. This is just a really cute pink, like, pullover. It's kind of cropped. It would look good with yoga pants, and it like buttons up here. It's a size extra, extra small, but it's very oversized. I would say up through medium could wear this. It's really nice. Old Navy, which isn't something I would normally pick up. These are new with tags though. So Old Navy Active, they actually do have some decent stuff. There's no price on this, but they're new with tags. I could probably get 20, 25 for these. Got another pair of Lululemon. I believe these are the groove style. The only thing I don't like about this material is it pills very easily. If you know Lululemon, you know that. Okay, this is Nike. I thought this print was really cute. It's like a watercolor kind of print. These are capris. They're high-waisted, good condition. I just really liked that print, very like artsy. So this is new with tags. It's active. It's from Amazon. Basically the word active with an I instead. I actually had bought this for myself and it did not look how I wanted it to look. I think I got a size too big. I got an extra large. I should have gotten a large and I didn't end up returning it. So it's new with tags. It has this band thing. I think for if you want to like cinch it up or something. It's just a tank top. It's very, very long, but it's kind of open in the back. This is why I bought it, because it's like, I need some like breathing room when I'm like exercising. So yeah, I'm gonna be listing this. That's the end of the video. If you guys watched all the way through, I'm at 22 minutes. I'll cut some stuff out. It means so much to me. I'm really trying to grow my YouTube channel, and I feel like it's growing kind of slowly. I just use my phone. I don't have a fancy camera, and I'm not getting paid for YouTube. I don't have like a ton of time that I want to dedicate to it. Like I am dedicating like a decent amount of time to it, but then I'll see my sales go down a little bit, and it's just like, I don't know. I want to keep doing YouTube, but I don't want my sales to go down because I'm spending all my time on YouTube. If you like this video, comment what your favorite athleisure brand is to sell. And that's it. Okay, thank you. Bye.